Tire gel protects rubber, enhances shine, prevents cracking, and extends tire lifespan effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best tire gel that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Tire Gel. The Meguiar's Tire and Trim Gel is a premium detailing product designed to deliver a deep, high-gloss wet look finish that instantly enhances the appearance of tires and exterior trim. Its advanced synthetic polymer formula creates a rich black shine that stands out while also providing long-lasting protection. One of its key benefits is versatility. It not only restores and enhances tire appearance but also adds UV protection to exterior plastic trims, helping prevent fading and cracking over time. The durable formula is designed to resist rain and washing, maintaining its shine for weeks. The gel consistency allows for precise, controlled application, ensuring the product stays exactly where you apply it without splashing or streaking onto paintwork. This makes it cleaner and more efficient compared to sprays. Application is simple, just use an applicator pad to spread evenly for a smooth, professional finish. Overall, it's a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-use tire gel that delivers excellent shine and protection for vehicle care enthusiasts. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Tire Gel. The HOL 430 Tire Shine Essentials Kit is a well-designed bundle for achieving clean, professional-looking tires with minimal effort. It includes tire kicker dressing and a Wonder Wave foam applicator, giving users everything needed for smooth, controlled application and consistent results. One of its standout features is finish versatility. Depending on how it is applied, Tire Kicker allows you to achieve anything from a subtle satin look to a deep, high-gloss shine, making it suitable for both daily drivers and showcar detailing preferences. The water-based formula is another advantage, as it dries clean without leaving a greasy residue. It helps refresh rubber surfaces while maintaining a natural, non-slippery appearance that looks well-maintained rather than overly artificial. The curved foam applicator is thoughtfully designed to match tire sidewalls, ensuring even coverage and reducing excess sling or product waste. This makes application cleaner and more efficient. Overall, this kit offers an easy, effective, and customizable solution for regular tire maintenance with professional quality results. Our third product is Meguiar's Tire Gel. Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel is an excellent tire dressing for drivers who want long-lasting shine and protection. Its advanced formula with macropolymers and copolymers delivers a rich, high-gloss finish that remains visible through rain, car washes, and everyday driving conditions, helping tires look freshly detailed for weeks. The gel consistency is a major advantage, allowing smooth and controlled application without the drips, runs, or overspray often associated with spray-on products. This makes the detailing process cleaner and more precise. In addition to enhancing appearance, the formula provides UV protection that helps prevent tire browning, fading, and premature aging caused by sun exposure. This keeps tires looking darker, healthier, and newer over time. Another great feature is the adjustable finish. A single application creates a clean, attractive shine, while an additional coat increases gloss for a more dramatic look. Overall, Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel is a durable, easy-to-use product that combines excellent shine with long-term tire protection. Now number 4, Meguiar's Tire Gel. Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Shine Tire Spray is an excellent choice for anyone who loves a bold, high-gloss tire finish. Its advanced synthetic polymer formula delivers a deep black, wet look shine that instantly enhances the appearance of tires and gives the entire vehicle a freshly detailed look. One of its strongest features is durability. The higher molecular weight formula bonds well to the tire sidewall, helping the shine last longer than many standard tire dressings, even through regular driving conditions. The finish remains rich and glossy without fading quickly. The product also offers flexibility in application. Spraying directly onto the tire creates an intense, soaking wet shine, while applying it with an applicator allows for a more controlled, medium gloss appearance. This makes it suitable for different detailing preferences. The spray format is convenient and easy to use, making application quick and hassle-free. Overall, this tire dressing provides impressive shine, lasting performance, and simple application, making it a great addition to any car care routine. And our last choice is Chemical Guy's Tire Gel. The Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner is an effective and user-friendly solution for tackling stubborn wheel grime and brake dust. Its standout feature is the thick, clingy gel formula that adheres to wheels and vertical surfaces instead of running off immediately. This allows the cleaner to stay in contact with dirt longer, helping break down road grime, oil, brake dust, and other contaminants with less effort. Application is simple, just spray it onto dirty wheels and let the formula work. The gel consistency helps reduce the amount of scrubbing required, making wheel cleaning faster and more efficient while using less product. Another major advantage is its safety. Made with natural citrus extracts and without harsh caustic chemicals, it is suitable for use on a wide range of wheel finishes. The formula combines natural cleaning agents with oxygen-based cleaning action to deliver strong cleaning performance without damaging wheel surfaces. Overall, Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner is a reliable, easy-to-use product that provides deep cleaning power while remaining safe for regular wheel maintenance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.